asking about me, where I've been in.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Omulabi waffe wa Spotlight News Media. Olunaku olwaleero tubadde mu kulambula kwereere era nga twasookedde mu kibuga eky'eggulu. Ekyo ekibuga eky'eggulu, amambuka ga Uganda galina ebibuga eby'enjawulo okuli Ggulu. Kati wabula essaawa eno wenyimiridde wano tuli mu kibuga eky'Erira. Mu kibuga wakati. Kankulambuze olabe ekibuga eky'Erira nga kyo we kyakolamu era we kyazimbibwamu. Tuli ku street wano ez'Erira. Ekkubo lino lyola.
Where I sleep, it's hard to find me. If you really want to, turns past that takes a cool sign. Same bobcat, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in the standing true, don't stop you. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving fast. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every Porsche light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go
It is in Aliro Camp Parish. Here it is peaceful, just the way you see it. Whether the issue of sickness and also death dear mother. Please feel free, relax. Our dear guests of honor, this place is cool and calm. Please, you're most welcome. Please feel free. When time comes for you to go back, please you go back home safely and convey our greetings.